Welcome to the Artispreneur Academy. In this course, you will learn all about trademarking your music or brand, securing your identity and assets. Let us get started. First, introduction to trademarks. What is a trademark? A trademark is a word, phrase, symbol, or design that identifies and distinguishes the source of goods or trademarks protect brand identifiers. They ensure that others cannot use your name, logo, or branding. Legal protection. Registering a trademark gives you the exclusive right to use your brand in commerce. And next, types of trademarks for music and brands. Word marks. A word mark is a trademark that protects the actual words used in a name or slogan. This is one of the artist names. Registering your stage name or band name ensures that no one else can use it in the music or design marks, sound marks. Now, how to trademark your music or brand. Choosing what to trademark. Name. Trademarking your artist name or band name is crucial to securing your identity. Logo. If you use a logo to promote your music or merchandise, it's essential to trademark it to prevent. Step-by-step guide to registering a trademark. Then, benefits of registering a trademark. Protecting your brand identity. No one else can use it. You have the legal right to stop others from using your name, logo, or slogan in a strong brand recognition. A trademark helps establish a strong, recognizable brand that stands out in the monetizing your trademark, preventing brand confusion. Moving on, enforcing your trademark. How to monitor and protect your trademark. Setting up alerts. Use online tools to receive notifications if someone is using your name, logo, or brand. Hiring a trademark monitoring service. These services regularly scan for potential trademark infringements, filing a trademark infringement lawsuit, responding to trademark violations. Almost there. Frequently asked questions. Common myths about trademarks. Myth 1. You don't need to register a trademark if you're using it, while you do gain some common law rights. Myth 2. Trademarks are only for large businesses. Even small businesses and individual artists can benefit. International trademark protection. Costs and timelines for trademark registration. So, that wraps up trademarking your music or brand. Put this course into practice today. Explore more courses in the Academy. Keep building your music business. Remember, art means business.